Cleft lip nose deformities are very common in our society, and we have with us a young patient who was recently operated 10 days ago, and she's here along with her parents, and they're going to be sharing their experiences with us about their journey in their operations and how they're actually feeling about their operation and the post-operative experience. And let us actually introduce her parents, and they will be sharing their experiences now.
Hi. Before speaking about this, I just want to know. I just want to share. Initially, there were a lot of butterflies in our stomach. When we thought about going for the surgery, to which doctor we have to approach, where to go. Then it was my wife, who has Googled and found out Dr. Rajesh Vasu sir, and she said we will try with going to with the surgery with Dr. Rajesh sir. And I was having different opinion. I said it's not only the one, but we have to go for some other also. But then when she Googled and saw the experience and all those things, we finally thought okay, better we will go to Rajesh sir and check it out. So we came here, and later we were mentioned what all the things it will be done in the surgery, and accordingly it was after the post surgery I felt everything whatever sir mentioned, it was covered. And as a parent, we are very much happy seeing the post surgery whatever it was done. And basically, more than me, my daughter who was done the surgery, she is very much happy after that, and simultaneously my wife.
Yeah, so we also did a speech improvement surgery. It's called VAPI surgery. We did a pharyngeal flap where because of the cleft lip and palate, and there's obviously some amount of nasal escape. So we tried to even better the speech by around 20%. Let us see what the patient's mother will have to say about the quality of speech now.
नहीं, पहले से तो स्पीच में इसका बहुत फ़र्क आया है। पहले बोलती थी तो थोड़े वर्ड समझ में नहीं आते थे, हवा में निकल जाते थे, लेकिन जब से सर ने सर्जरी किया है अभी तो क्लियरली बोलती है। इसको गाने का शौक़ है, गाती भी बहुत अच्छा है, बोलती भी बहुत अच्छा है। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैंने सर्च किया और राजेश वासु सर को आए यहाँ पे। मैं डर रही थी कितना पेन होगा, क्या होगा, लेकिन बिल्कुल भी नहीं, सर्जरी हुआ, पेन ही नहीं हुआ इसको। तो सुबह हम लोग आए, शाम को चले गए, बहुत अच्छा लगा, एकदम इजीली 10 डेज कैसे हो गया पता ही नहीं चला।
पेन नहीं हुआ है क्योंकि आपकी बेटी अच्छा बर्दाश्त कर रही है। शी इज वेरी पेन टॉलरेंट।
मैं यही डरती थी कितना पेन होगा, कैसे करेगी, लेकिन ये सब इतना इजीली होगा। 10 डेज कैसे बीत गया पता ही नहीं चला मुझे। तो
You are very happy about
चाला बहुत हैप्पी हूँ मैं। बस सर से एक ही शब्द बोलूँगी, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Most welcome, and we will follow you up again through the post-operative surgery.
Sure.
आपका जो भी swelling है थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा कम होने के लिए, बट एक हफ्ते के बाद अगर ऐसा रिजल्ट है तो एक महीने के बाद इससे बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट हो सकता है, और उम्मीद है कि आपका जो भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस है वो पूरा हम मैच कर सकें।
So it's not matching, it's more than I can say. Our expectations से ज़्यादा आपने किया है sir.
Thank you.
We are very much.
And the other possible course of action is to also improve her lip aesthetics. वो करेंगे एक 3 महीने के बाद, after 3 months we'll do the lip correction so that she looks even more beautiful.
Sure sir.
Okay.
Once again sir, we are very thankful. I'm very thankful to my wife. She suggested the right doctor. That's all.
Thank you.